Welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us on India Today. As Delhi is battling coronavirus crisis, a controversy has now erupted over home quarantine for those testing positive. In an order, Delhi LG Anil Baijal has made mandatory 5-day quarantine for government facility for those testing positive. Patients will be sent for home quarantine only after 5-day assessment and in case they show no symptoms. Sources say that the order has been passed on MHA's advice. Sources also say Chief Minister Kejriwal was not consulted on this matter. The Delhi government has called the order arbitrary and has urged the centre to roll it back now. The Aam Aadmi Party government said the home quarantine protocol was as per the ICMR guidelines and that the centre's decision will discourage people from testing. Delhi is close to 50,000 cases. Meanwhile, Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain's condition has worsened. He is going to be given plasma therapy at Max Hospital in Saket. His condition deteriorated after he developed pneumonia. He tested positive for COVID-19 on 17th of June.
उनकी तबीयत थोड़ी सी आज उनका निमोनिया बढ़ गया. आज सिटी स्कैन उनका लेटेस्ट जो आया उसमें कम होने की बजाय निमोनिया के पैचेस जो उनके लंग्स में थे वो ज़्यादा बढ़ गए. सुबह से उनको थकान और ज़्यादा और गिडनेस बढ़ने लगी.
Ashutosh is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Ashutosh, politics aside, with this kind of an order coming in, which is against the ICMR guidelines as per the Aam Aadmi Party, many who would want to get tested might just feel shy of getting tested, fearing that they might have to quarantine themselves in case they are asymptomatic and end up testing positive as well. One. Two, we do know that the healthcare system is already overburdened. Then why this? Isn't going forward, the capacity also going to become a huge matter of concern when the numbers rise?
Good morning, Chaiti, and you were absolutely right, Looking at the overburdened hospital and the healthcare facilities in the national capital, such orders by the Lieutenant Governor, of course, it's not only the LG's order, it is directly the MHA's order, that is part of the executive order of the the Minister of Home Affairs. So clearly, when the elected government is not consulted, all the execution, Chaiti, remember, the execution of this order will be part of the elected government. And at the same time, they'll have to look after all the arrangements, including from providing bed, providing facilities, food and everything need to be taken care of. And at the same time, remember, the ICMR guidelines itself say that those who have very mild symptoms, those who are asymptomatic and those do not require actually the hospital treatment can be kept under the home quarantine. Now, suddenly such orders coming from the Lieutenant Governor has shocked even the government, because already there is a crisis of bed. And in fact, when Manish Sisodia clearly saying on record that by July we are going to reach around 5 million cases. And now all are who are kept, and remember, more than 8,000 patients who are asymptomatic, either having very mild symptoms, are already under the home quarantine. Now such order is now actually going to be trouble for the government to execute. But what I'm hearing from the sources, that the probably Chief Minister or the Deputy Chief Minister are going to have words with the Lieutenant Governor to resolve this crisis, and this order need to be withdrawn immediately. As you were rightly pointing out, that hospitals are already overburdened, and then the patients, those who even are diagnosing symptoms, they will prevent from the COVID testing, and no one would want to, be particularly the asymptomatic or the mild symptom cases, would never want to go to the hospital or the quarantine centers.
Yes, it's only natural, and let's wait and watch to see whether any kind of action is taken on back of these concerns that you were just highlighting, Ashutosh, to our viewers as well. I thank you very much and appreciate you joining us on this broadcast this morning. With that, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.